Okay, so here's the scoop. It's gotten to the point where I'm having difficulty working in here anymore, especially where it comes to sanding. Okay, I get that fiberglass sand everywhere. I was working on it yesterday and it was warm and I had a layer all over my glasses and it was steaming up and so I need to get the boat out of here. So that's what I'm going to try doing today. Is I'm going to try jacking up this boat with the frame and getting it out in the driveway, so hopefully I can cover it on a nice day, uncover it and get working on it out there. So when I start doing the sanding, it'll hit the ground and probably fly away and it won't be so hard to breathe. So that's my plan. I went out and purchased this little toy here this morning, and it is a Crescent, by Crescent. It's called 44-inch dual claw wrecking bar. So that's what we're going to work on. Let's see. Take that off. And the way it's supposed to work, so I guess this will be a boat moving video and a review, is there's a little button in here. You push that in and I should be able to adjust this 360 degree. Look at that. So I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to have to do it, but probably about this high to start with. What I want to do is, again, we have wonderful plans. What I'm going to try to do is get the claws underneath here and lift it up. I have a long 2x4 if I need to lift it up higher. Then I want to put a couple of these in the front, and I get two to put in the back. And in a perfect world, I'll be able to wheel it right out. Doesn't that sound easy? Now let's see if it'll work. Adjust it. Adjust that a little higher. Ooh, that works slick. Okay, this one I want to try to turn around and get it facing forward. So let's see, how am I going to do that? There we go. So I get the front done. Now I'm going to try to do it in the back, see how much room I have, and then we'll see if we can get it moved out of here. To stop for an intermission, I have a buddy coming to visit me here. I don't know if you can see him at all. Right behind that chair. Come on. Come on. Should probably keep him as one of my workers. Here's one for later. I'll be busy with the boat. All right. Let's see if I can do this with the back. Same on this side. There you have it. All four ends are on the wheels. Now it's just to see if I can push it out. All right, ready? Let's see if this is going to work. So far, so good. Bricks are away. So I finally got it outside. The edges over there of the frame were coming apart, so I took it off the wheels, put it back on the ground till I get a chance to screw those in and shore them up a little bit. And I'll show you how. Gave myself to go around over here. And over here, I didn't want to get too much in the driveway, so I guess I'll have to get in the lawn to do my sanding here. So I still got a lot of sanding to do, but it'll be so much easier to do it outdoors. And the transom. So now I'm just going to cover it up and we'll be all set. There we go. Signed, sealed, delivered. All packaged and ready for another day. Thanks for watching.